Hello, Wildman Fugazi here to start a conversation about what I think can both simplify and provide the necessary taxes to run our government. The concept is to use blockchain technology. By now, you've probably heard about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Here is how my system would work. A new U.S. government-controlled cryptocurrency would be created to replace paper money. 100 trillion digital dollars would be created and sold to the public on a one-for-one basis to paper dollars. Any excess digital dollars could be destroyed or held by the government for emergency reserve of value. The mining equipment would be maintained and operated by the government, and all fees associated with the movement of value would be received by the U.S. Treasury to be spent on infrastructure and social services. As you can see on the displayed website, currently $14 trillion per day flow through the existing financial structure. If this figure is correct and you multiply by 365 days, you get an astronomical figure of $5,110 trillion per year. The U.S. currently raises about $3 trillion in taxes every year. A fee of just 0.1% on each financial transaction would raise $5.11 trillion, more than enough to run the U.S. government. A fee of 0.2% would triple the available money supplied to the U.S. Treasury, which could easily pay for national health care and other desperately needed infrastructure. The system would eliminate tax evasion and chargeback fraud. It would be fair to everyone because your age, race, religion, and wealth would not play a role as determining the tax code. Taxes would be eliminated at all levels. Corporations would no longer be able to hide money in offshore accounts. None of that would matter. Money would be siphoned directly from the economy and immediately put back into the economy by government spending. The ledger created by the transactions could be easily used to track any attempted money laundering and illegal activities. I would also propose that each tax jurisdiction could have money directed to its treasuries by placing a similar small fee on every financial transaction that occurs in its jurisdiction. 0.2% means you would pay 2 cents to move $100. Everybody can afford that. The technology is available to get this done. It's time to get rid of the antiquated and corrupt system we use today. Banks will no longer be siphoning away trillions of dollars into its already enormously wealthy pockets. I think the country could survive with a fewer rich bankers. Some accountants, tax lawyers, and IRS agents will have to look for jobs. But the world didn't come to an end when blacksmiths were replaced by auto mechanics. Wildman Fugazi for president. Common sense politics for a common sense world.